more testing that's being done, the more that's being disclosed, we're finding these chemicals are really in drinking water across the country.
It's certainly not just our problem, but it is one we're just finding out about. Mobile's drinking water contaminated with compounds from widely used, long-lasting chemicals known as PFAS.
Yeah, Mobile area water and sewer system sending out thousands of letters letting customers know the contamination is above the new EPA advised levels. But all people want to know is this: is the water safe to drink?
Our Stephen Moody is live tonight in Mobile. And Stephen, those chemicals could have long-term effects.
Yeah, that's right, Shelby and Byron. Now, Moz is saying that water from your faucet is safe to drink, but it is something that they are monitoring.
This letter from the Mobile area water and sewer system alerting customers of PFAS chemicals in their drinking water has some worried. We reached out to David Andrews with Environmental Working Group. He says in the short term, people are safe, but long-term health effects could be an issue.
Increased exposure is related to cancer, harm to a number of different organs, harm to the reproductive system. These chemicals really kind of have the ability to wreak havoc all across our bodies at low concentrations.
EWG has tracked this contamination issue across the country, including local areas like Satsuma, Daphne, Loxley, and Foley.
We've been tracking for a long time, and we've actually been mapping contamination results across the country. We've identified over 2,500 sites where drinking water has this contamination. While it stands out as an issue, I would say the city is not alone.
Boiling and freezing doesn't reduce the concentration of the chemicals in the water, giving them the name Forever Chemicals. Moz and the EWG say buying a filter will help, but Andrews admits it's only an interim fix.
That's kind of an expensive short-term solution, right? We really want to look upstream, make sure that the polluters are cleaning up this contamination and that our water's not pre-contaminated before it comes out the tap.
Now, once again, Moz assures customers that their water is safe to drink. We reached out to Moz and the Environmental Protection Agency for comment. We haven't heard back. Live tonight, Mobile, Stephen Moody, Fox 10 News.
All right, Stephen, thank you. And breaking tonight, the Alabama Department of Environmental Management responding to Fox 10 News' request for comment on this very important story. They sent us this statement from its director, Lance LaFleur, just a couple of hours ago. It reads in part, we quote, "This is a national issue. There rightly is concerned about any harms these chemicals can have on human health and the environment. ADEM has been addressing PFAS issues for a number of years, including requiring testing PFAS at drinking water systems with wells and treatment plants, even though there's not a federal requirement to do so. We are pleased to see EPA now take steps that will lead to the regulation of these emerging contaminants," unquote. You can read the entire statement on fox10tv.com.